want to show you guys what is going on in Tanzania. I was told that Tanzania has Tanzania Tourism Board. I was told that Tanzania has one of the best SGR in Africa. So in this video, we are headed to the Tanzania train station to show you guys, of course, the best SGR in Africa. This country is so beautiful, man. Look at, I think this is the ocean. Man, this country is beyond my expectation. Tanzania is beautiful. So if you want to know how Tanzania SGR looks like, if you want to know why Tanzania is leading when it comes to SGR in Africa, you need to keep watching this video, because in this video we are going to be taking the premium or the VIP tickets on the Tanzania SGR. I think Tanzania is the pride of Africa. Am I right? Kindly comment below if I'm right.
Yes, country.
Wow.
Tanzania, Dar es Salaam.
You're from Dar es Salaam?
Yes.
Wow, your country is beautiful.
Yeah.
Yes, man, guy, look at this. It's very clean. Man, I can't wait to explore all part of Tanzania with you guys. Talking about Zanzibar, of course, Dar es Salaam, Dodoma,
Arusha,
Mwanza. Oh man, there are a lot to show you guys. Keep watching, man. Look at this building. What is this place? Is this a bank?
Bank.
Oh wow. Guys, this is the bank actually. How everybody just obey traffic lights. I think Tanzanians are very civilized actually. Just like when I was in Senegal, they obey traffic lights, which is good.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, that's
Senegal.
No, even Tanzania too.
Ah, okay.
Obey traffic lights. Wow, guys. What building is this? NMB. Should be a bank.
NMB bank.
Bank, right? Oh. They snatch people's stuff, just like Kenya. They are the same thing. Okay, now just be careful. Those BRTs you see in Dakar, those long BRT, I think even here in Tanzania, they also have it. So I will show you guys, keep watching.
Take me to the jungle, teach me tiger law, read to me a poem, sing to you a song, drunk in my devotion, laid out on your chest, student of abandon, with you I am blessed.
Wow, guys, look at Tanzania's beautiful train station. Wow. Yeah. Wow. This is one of the biggest train stations I've seen. Very big. Wow. My friend, where do I get VIP ticket?
VIP ticket. Yeah. It's over there. Low and business.
Okay, thank you. Wow. That's where you get your ticket over there. Actually, I got a royal class. They have business class and they have royal class. We have less than 2 hours to start the journey. Before we move, let's just eat some Tanzania dish. You know, it's my first day in Tanzania, and we need to try the dish. So keep watching. Like I was saying earlier, I got a royal class ticket, which is around 35,000 Tanzania shillings. This royal class is actually more expensive than the business class. I think this is for the kings and queens. So with this, we can go from Dar es Salaam all the way down to Morogoro. Yeah, so 35,000 royal class. So keep watching. The train leaves by 4 p.m. We have less than 2 hours to 4 p.m. So before that, let's have some delicious Tanzania food over here. So keep watching. I can't wait to see how this royal class looks like. Like I was saying earlier, Tanzania is considered to have one of the best SGR in Africa, in the entire Africa. So I can't wait to see how the inside looks like. So keep watching. Join me. This is my first food in Tanzania. This biryani, I mean white rice. But this is chicken curry, I guess. If you're from Tanzania, I want you guys to tell me in the comment section what is the name of this food. I'm sure this is chicken, but let me give it a go. Okay, let's go. Wow. Okay. This is good. So the train will leave in less than 1 hour. Let's enjoy this food and then we go for the main thing. So keep watching, don't go away. This is one of the best food I've eaten in East Africa. Alright guys, the time is now. Let's go board. Join me. There are so many people who have already arrived. This is
Yeah, same waiting for train.
what time will they leave? By 4, right?
10 a.m.
Thank you. There are so many people.
There is a lot of people waiting.
Yeah. Wow, guys, there are so many people around. Wow, guys, there are so many people. Hey, mama. Sorry. Actually, I want to see how this place looks like. Actually. Guys, sorry. I want to see how VIP looks like. Okay. Okay. Hello. I'm good. We are boarding, right?
Yeah.
Is there anything that comes with royal class?
No, in fact, this is not a royal class. This is VIP class. Royal class is the other side.
The other side.
Yeah. Now here it's only special for members of parliament, VIPs, presidential, for diplomats. Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. Can I show you?
Okay,
You
sure.
wanna see royal?
Sure.
Okay.
Alright, thank you. Guys, I want to see how the royals looks like. Okay. Okay. Ladies first.
Thank you.
Okay, this is royal class.
Business class, yeah.
All right.
Okay, so you can see
Oh wow.
it's under still they're still building it. It's not yet complete.
Oh okay.
Yeah, so this is royal and business, and that is economy class.
Oh okay. No problem.
But the
I wanna
boarding
know.
is not yet
It's not yet.
until 4 o'clock.
I think it's 4 now. People are already boarding.
Not yet until 4:30. That's when you board.
Where are they going to?
Yeah, it's just that they're just going to settle. They're just going to wait for others.
Others. I want to know where is the next station after here?
Oh, the next station is Pugu.
That's before Morogoro.
Yeah, there's Pugu, there is Gerengere, then Morogoro.
No problem. Thank you so much. All right, guys. It's time to board. Whoa, guys. This is beautiful. Yes, we're going to Morogoro. Number 1. Okay. Asante Sana. Oh, this is clean. Wow. Do I have a seat number? Let me see. Wow, guys. Welcome to the Royal Class Tanzania's SGR. Wow. Wow. This is good. I think this is where you put your leg. And if you want to eat something or if you want to walk, I'm sure if you want to walk, this is where you keep your laptop. Oh wow. And if you have some water or coffee, you can keep it here. Wow. This is interesting. Wow. Look at this, guys. Look at this. I think they also have Wi-Fi here. Man, ahead, this is the fastest train, fastest SGR in Africa. So we're gonna check it out. Wow. You can also enjoy some television over there. Wow. Actually, I paid 35,000 over here. I paid 35 over here. I paid 35,000 Tanzania shillings from Dar es Salaam all the way down to Morogoro. I think it's less than 2 hours. This is good. This is good. Actually, you gave me kitty. My kitty. Kitty means seat. Actually, in Tanzania, everything is being translated because the main language here is Swahili. So I think they are doing us a favor by translating it to English. So everything you see in Tanzania are almost written in Swahili. But that is good. That is called embracing ours. Embracing our own language, the African language. So keep watching. In less than 20 minutes or even less than that, in less than 10 minutes we should be on our way. So keep watching. I'll show you guys the road trip. We are moving slowly but surely. Wow. Beautiful Dar es Salaam. This is waterfront house. NS wow. Kutoka. First impression, I think this SGR they keep to time. which is very important. And of course, this is the station over here. I think it's been long they built it, but it's looking so magnificent. Wow.
Asante kwa kuhakikisha kuwa unashirikiana nasi kuhakikisha
Salama.
kwa salama na ya kufurahisha. Kama utahitaji msaada zaidi, usisite kuwasiliana na watoa huduma wetu ndani ya treni. Asanteni kwa usikivu wenu.
Wow.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome.
Oh, okay. There are video guys over there.
To serve you and wish you a pleasant trip. Please observe the following safety instructions. Sit on the assigned seat. Do not stand on the way or walk without reason. Do not lean or hold the doors of the train while we are on the journey to avoid accidents. Avoid standing at the train junctions when the train is moving to avoid accidents. These places are for passing and landing hours. It is not allowed to play music on the speakers or any device that produces sound, and this will prevent the hearing of safety announcements and instructions inside the train. After using the toilet, make sure you press the green button to flush. Consider locking the door in the washroom to avoid interference. We encourage you to maintain cleanliness and order inside the train. Please dispose of waste in the special bin.
Oh, there's so many people are taking videos. I think they are vloggers. It's picking up. Top speed. Top speed. Actually, I noticed that they are kind of trying to dualize almost all the roads in Dar es Salaam, which is a good thing. They are trying to do what they did in Dakar. They're trying to make the middle of the road have to be exclusively for BRTs. I think that's what they're trying to do here. Is to expand the road and put BRT in the middle of the road, just like in Dakar, Senegal, I guess. Wow. It's picking up top speed. Odell.
Do not accept any food or drink from all passengers while on the journey.
Let's enjoy the view. The view of the biggest city in Tanzania. Wow. Amazing fitness. Speaking of, oh okay, there's another one over there. This one is I think this one is a MGR over here. MGR, but it's old. It's locomotive. I love how this rail track is designed with this. If you look at it that way, there's some white thing. Yeah, this is cement factory. So many containers. I be coach. Hey, the speed has come. Guys, this speed is something else. Look at this. Actually, this train is actually electric. Okay, they are building another one. This is another area. Kind of trying to expand. Whoa, man! So many things are going on in Tanzania, man. So many things are going on. There's a factory over there. I think these ones are packed. are stopping in the next. Oh, okay. Wow. Whoa. So. Wow, guys. Hey. Wow. This is the best train experience I've had in Africa. Whoa. I think this is the fastest train in Africa, actually. I love the stations. Kutoka, is it? I think these are normal classes. Ugu. Yeah, another one is coming. Guys, welcome to Pugu. I think this is the next station after Tanzania. After, you can see over here, Kituo cha Pugu station. Wow. I think they look nice actually. They look nice and clean. Very important. Guys, for some of you who are wondering, I want you guys to comment below. What do you think about the Tanzania SGR? Compare it with the ones I've had in Kenya, in Nigeria, in Senegal, and in Ghana. Compare which one is the best. Leave a comment below. And whoa, look at this. I think these ones are just being. Hey, where am I going?
All at once in a dream, we are together. You could call it a vision or a tether. All at once I can see it, we're back together. You could call it a vision. You could call it a vision. You could call it a vision.
Seems that there's mosquito in Tanzania because of how. Let me see. It just open automatically. Let me show you guys my Airbnb here in Dar es Salaam. Whoa, welcome back. Guys, let me lock this place. All right, man. Guys, Tanzania is hot. I mean, this part of Tanzania is hot. Let me quickly give you guys a room tour before I end this video. Let me give you guys a room tour of my Airbnb here in Tanzania. So of course, over here, this is the workstation. This is where you can keep your laptop, and of course this is a little seat area. This is what we call parlor in Nigeria. This is your sitting room. Oh wow, I love this. This looks like one city in Cape Verde. Beautiful. Kevet or Hanoi. That's in Vietnam. And I like this little design over here. You have your dining for one person. And you have a refrigerator. It should be empty. Oh wow. And here you have a very massive kitchen, a very big kitchen, and everything you need is actually here. And if you go over this way, over here, this is the bathroom over here. It's looking lit, and this is the room. You can see over here, this is a very beautiful small room. Wow. Welcome to my new home in East Africa, Tanzania. So let me know what you think about this video. Let me know what you think about the Tanzania SG. If you compare it with other trend I've showed you guys on this channel, what do you think? Do you also agree that Tanzania has one of the best SGR in Africa? If you agree, leave a comment below. If you don't, leave a comment below. And with that, it's my first day in Tanzania officially. From next week, we're going to be taking the SGR all the way from Dar es Salaam down to Dodoma. Yeah, so we're going to be visiting Dodoma, which is the capital city of Tanzania. If you have any place you think I should visit, or any place you think I should show you guys on this channel, please leave a comment below. And with that, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Kindly make sure you subscribe to the channel. We road to 1 million subscribers in less than 2 years. So watch, like, share this video. And with that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Ciao.
Last night, I had a dream of us coming together. Last night, in my dream, I saw unity. I had a taste of democracy.